You want to hear something crazy? I bought some salmon at Molly Stone yesterday, and I told the guy that was serving me that I make leather from the skins of fish. And you know what he said? Do you want me to take the skin off for you? Oh my God. I never even thought of that. I've been struggling for the last few years trying to take the skin myself off when I could have just asked the person helping me, "Could you take the skin off for me, please?" And that's what he did. Look at that. So I'm going to try something new this time. I'm going to scrape all the meat off before I put it in the freezer. I use a paint scraper because I don't have a proper tool, but wow, look at all this fish membrane that I can get off while it's fresh. This is amazing. In the past, I was just freezing it and then thawing it out like several months later and doing it, but wow. Thank you, Hannah Noor, for telling me in your book on fish skin tanning to take the meat off right away before you put it in the freezer for tanning later. I can get, wow, this is just, maybe this is a secret to really good fish leather tanning. You live and learn, right? You learn different things from different people. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I got off the netted membrane. That's incredible. I'm going to put this in the freezer, but first I'm going to try to get this gray stuff off. I really need to get one of those tools since I love tanning so much. Tools are everything, you know? Tools are everything. The right tool. Oh wow, this is Norwegian farm fish and the skin is so thick. They have colder waters over there. So that would make sense that the skin is thicker. Okay. And then Hannah says to roll it up. So I'm just going to roll it up like that. And then I'm going to put it in a baggie and I'm going to label it. And I'm just going to stick this in there and put in the freezer. And also Hannah Noor in her book, she says to not keep it in the freezer more than 1 year. I have no idea when I put this in the freezer. This is another piece. And when you leave the flesh behind, the fat from the flesh turns it yellow. And then that actually transfers through to the other side. So I'm going to stop doing this and I'm going to do my new method of taking all the flesh meat off before I place it in the freezer for later tanning. This is super labor intensive, but it's so fun and rewarding.